Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common problem, fixing a broken window. If you have a crack or break in your window and want to save some money by handling it yourself, you're in the right place. It'll walk you through the tools you need, the step-by-step process, and some pro tips to make sure you get it done safely and effectively. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Safety first. Before you start, safety is your top priority. Make sure you're wearing heavy-duty gloves to protect your hands from sharp glass, and if possible, safety goggles for eye protection. Also, be sure to have a trash bin or bag ready for any broken glass pieces. Once you're all geared up, we can move on to prepping the area. Step 2. Prepare the area. Clear any objects near the window and make sure you have enough workspace. If the broken window is in a frame, you'll need to carefully remove the remaining glass pieces from the frame. Take your time here and avoid any sudden movements to prevent further damage or injury. Use a utility knife to cut around the edge of the glass where it meets the frame, loosening it gently. Step 3. Measure and get the replacement glass. Next, you need to measure the opening for your new glass piece. Measure the height and width of the opening and subtract about 1/8 inch from each side to ensure the new glass can fit properly without being forced into place. Step 4. Installing the new glass. With your new glass ready, it's time to install it. First, apply a thin layer of glazing putty around the edges of the window frame. This will act as an adhesive and provide a cushion for the glass. Carefully set the glass into the frame, pressing it gently into the putty. Step 5. Final check and cleanup. Once the putty is fully dried, go ahead and clean the new glass with a standard glass cleaner to remove any smudges or fingerprints. Stand back and admire your work. You've just repaired your own window. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully fixed a broken window yourself. Not only did you save some money, but you also learned a valuable skill. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more do-it-yourself and home repair tutorials. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.